Hello everyone, let's see how to calculate percentage in Excel. So here you can see I have data. So to calculate percentage, select the cell is equal to, select the mark score, then divide it total marks and press the enter and it's done. Percentage here calculated. Then select the cell, double click on this corner point and you can see all detail field below this data. Okay. Now select the entire column. You just drag and select your entire column. Then go to the Home tab. In number group, click on the percentage sign. Here you can see all number convert in percentage. Okay. Now next here I show you. Select again entire column and go to the conditional formatting. In highlight sales rules, click on the greater than. So here I type 90 percentage. And with this here, I select the one color, green field with the dark green text. After that, click on OK. So greater than 90 percentage here highlighted with the green field color. Now auto grade with the if formula. So first select the cell is equal to, type here if function, then select the percentage, then greater than is equal to sign, then type here 90 percentage, then comma, double quote, type the A, again double quote, comma, type if, select the if function, again select the percentage, then greater than is equal to sign, then type here 75 percentage, then comma, double quote, then type here B, again double quote, comma, again type if function, select again percentage D2 greater than is equal to 60 percentage, then comma, then double quote, type C, double quote, comma, double quote, type here fail. Okay. Then double quote, bracket close, then again bracket close. Okay. So here in this formula, if D2 means percentage cell here selected, if the percentage is greater than is equal to 90%, then grade will be A. If the percentage greater than is equal to 75%, then grade will be B. And if the percentage greater than is equal to 60%, then grade will be C. And otherwise fail. If the three condition is not showing in any cell, then it's showing the fail. Okay. Then I press the enter and it's done. You can see greater than 90 is equal to or greater than 90% here criteria set. Therefore, here showing the A grade. Okay. Then select the cell, double click on this corner point, and here you see. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this, subscribe my channel. Thank you.